Hey cousins, it's your cousin Quan, your favorite insurance cousin, and I am back with another one for you guys. And this was the question. The question was, hey cousin Quan, I need help. I've been having this claim that's been going on for some time now. My claims adjuster isn't talking to my contractor. I don't understand insurance lingo, and my agent can't help. What am I supposed to do? Well, here's the thing. The agent usually cannot help. The agent's hands is usually tied. So that's for your insurance agent. 99% of the time, if you ask the agent what's going on with your claim, they're going to refer you back to claims. Usually claims only bring in the agent when they have questions, and that's when it's going under some type of investigation. They call it SIU. It's going to SIU. At that time, they'll usually call the agent and ask the agent certain questions about the policyholder. As for the contractor and the insurance adjuster doesn't have to speak to anyone except for the person that's on the policy, the named insured. There are some cases to where you can give them permission to discuss things like a family member, and sometimes the contractor, because you don't understand insurance, you don't understand the lingo and the things that they are saying. And if that's the case, you can ask the adjuster, like, I'm going to need you to explain that to me. Give it to me in layman's terms. Give it to me in ways that I can understand. It's okay to ask those questions. But in this case, with the adjuster, what normally happens is that adjusters go off of contractors go off of what they're used to. Like, I've gotten this covered before. I know this is covered. And usually they're only looking at your declaration page. They don't have the full certified policy, and they actually don't know what's covered. When you have a claim, the insurance adjuster has the full policy and they're looking at it. So in this case, you would need a public adjuster because no one else can negotiate the claim besides a public adjuster. And they are regulated by law, and that's what they do, negotiate claims on your behalf between your insurance company. That's what they do. The agent's hands is tied and the contractor don't know. Sometimes there are provisions and exclusions and things that have changed, and this has been going on more common, especially since COVID and a few years ago. Things have been changing with insurance policies. And what has been going on is that something that may have been covered before is not covered. And usually if those changes or those exclusions and things are going to happen, they're going to happen to your policy at renewal. So the client that got something covered before, they may not have been in their renewal, and you may be in your renewal, but it's no way to know unless you get a full certified copy of the policy. And I'm not talking about just the declaration page. 90% of the time, the contractors are going off of the declaration page. They're looking at coverage A, coverage B, the deductibles. They just want to know what the policy covers. And most of the time, they don't know insurance lingo. And the insurance adjuster, they owe them nothing. They don't have to talk to them. So that's when you will have to get a public adjuster in this case. I hope that helped, guys. But once again, if you have any questions, a claims question, a policy coverage question, y'all know what to do. Click the link in my bio, and your cousin Quan got you. Y'all be safe, cousins.